this out, and look, the stinking tab broke. Rat. So now what you gotta do with these fittings is you have to line up the hole in the bolt with the hole in the fitting. So I'll throw a picture up so you can see, but it's just gonna take a little bit of time, a little bit of finagling, but we should get it. So yep. Alright, so messing with it seemed like forever. We finally got it, and first time messing with something like this, so let's try to install it. Let's get it. Alright, so before we install the new fuel pump, new fuel hose, let's take a look at the old ones. Look how stinking cracked they are. Guarantee you sucked up so much air. You can see right here it says out top, so the top banjo is the outlet, bottom is the inlet, meaning coming from the gas tank and the out is going to the car. So it's good to remember. Now we're under the car. Pump and proper place. That bit of light you see, that's where the fuel pump is gonna go. So it goes from here. Make sure you get caught on anything. Make sure you don't drop it. Oh man. Nice. Let's go to the truck. So far looking good. Let's get all the connections connected and we're off. So if I put some sound lead on the ground so they can easy side too. So they're so it's looking really easy, which obviously is a plus. So like so. See something like a little bit more. Just a flat head. There's another bit more. There we go. Fit it around. Nice. Okay. Next, these connections go on the bottom on there. Like so. Sweet. And then the top one is the vent. This is ground, which goes right there. So I'm going to tighten the clamp, and then we're going to go back under the car. Finally got it wrapped up here. Took it way longer than it should have, but let's move on. Alright, so we're back into the car. Bear with me, I know it's dark. But first we're going to put on the ground, which is on the one side of the fuel pump where the banjos are at. So connect that real quick. So I've decided to attempt to use my brain here. Okay, so now we're looking for, this is a small stinking little Johnny. That's not it, that's not it. It's right here. See it? And it goes. No, I can't see it. It goes. Oh, man. Oh wow, that's a pretty pitiful, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so yeah, can you guys see it? Get the satellite. Yeah, right there. You see that? It's not supposed to look like that at all. So I'm gonna think about my life decisions, and I'll get back to you.